Meu Deus do céu, desgraçado! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí! Fica aí suave! Fica aí suave! Fica aí, caralho! Fica aí, filho da puta!
Bem feito.
Se fudeu, idiota.
Depois novamente. Aí o motorista já não vai mais encontrar dificuldades no trajeto.
Idiota. Foi um idiota mesmo.
1 minutos de trajeto.
I got you on fucking video. You're on fucking video.
Good.
You're on fucking turn the car off. Turn the fucking car off. Turn the car off. Yo, call the cops. Yo, turn the car off. Turn the car off. Turn the fucking car off. Call the cops, bro.
Pull up next to this one. Pull up next to me. What's up? Let's go where? Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Go fuck yourself. Pussy. Ah, you.
What are you tweaking about?
I have an 82-year-old man in the car, and you guys are all fucking spinning and disturbing. Just because it's 4th of July doesn't mean you give a fucking dick.
You're drunk
Fuck
as
you,
fuck.
nigga. Fuck you, dog.
You're the one swerving. I was just following you.
I'm the one swerving?
Oh,
I'm the one fucking swerving?
yeah, it was actually. Oh, there she go. And okay. All right.
$15 p.m.
There's no time, so you know these people have cultivated this for over 30 years, and then all of a sudden you're like, no, I'm sorry, you're too old, go away. What's Bob Catter going to do otherwise? Like, you can't go back into the army, even though he's good at it. That's what he's
Доїхали.
Shit.
Fargo 333, I'm in third position, all set up first spike sector and in. 1050, 1050.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Fargo
Oh
333,
shit!
I'm in third position, all set up first spike sector and in.
1050, 1050, just hit a semi.
Incidents like these remind us how fragile life can be. In just a moment, everything can change, and sometimes a single second of inattention can impact all of our lives. Please remember that your safety and the safety of those around you should always come first. Do you think most of these accidents could have been prevented? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's start a conversation and raise awareness together.